After 60, the shocking $1 food that builds muscle faster than protein powders. The quiet fear of losing your independence often starts with a simple grocery bag feeling heavier than it did last year, or the sudden need to grip the rail while climbing stairs. For millions of older adults, muscle loss isn't about vanity. It is about the very real danger of falls and the loss of balance that can change a life in a single second. Recent data suggests that out of 100 American seniors over the age of 65, nearly 94 are making a deadly muscle mistake every single day by relying on the wrong nutrients. While the medical industry pushes expensive protein shakes that can cost a fortune over a year, researchers have discovered that a handful of everyday foods costing about $1 can actually rebuild strength significantly faster. If you're tired of feeling weaker despite trying every supplement on the shelf, you need to see what the science actually says about these overlooked powerhouses. Before we dive into these life-changing discoveries, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to our channel to join a community of strong, informed seniors. Stay with me until the very end because the final food on our list is something most people throw away, yet it contains the exact biological switch your body needs to stop age-related decline in its tracks. 1. Greek yogurt. What many seniors do not realize is that this simple, inexpensive dairy product is one of the most powerful natural muscle builders ever studied by the scientific community. Researchers at McMaster University found that older adults who incorporated Greek yogurt into their daily routine maintained significantly more muscle mass even during periods of low activity compared to those using processed protein powders. The secret lies in its casein protein, a slow-digesting form that continues to feed your muscles for up to 7 hours after you eat it. As we age, our muscles become more resistant to protein, meaning we need this steady, continuous flow of amino acids rather than the short, sharp bursts provided by standard shakes. This food also contains leucine, an essential amino acid proven to trigger growth in aging tissue, and live probiotics that improve nutrient absorption in ways that powders simply cannot replicate. Have you noticed your strength slipping lately? Or is your digestion making it hard to eat enough protein? I would love to hear your experiences in the comments below. For the best results, you should consume about 3/4 of a cup of plain, unflavored Greek yogurt roughly 30 minutes before your largest meal. Here is a little-known trick to boost the effectiveness. Let your yogurt sit at room temperature for exactly 10 minutes before eating. This small step helps activate the live cultures, making the protein much easier for aging stomachs to break down and utilize for muscle repair. If you think this dairy discovery is impressive, wait until you hear about the next tiny food that shocked researchers with how fast it restores grip strength. 2. Canned sardines. These small, humble fish are frequently overlooked at the grocery store, yet they represent a nutrient bomb for strength and recovery after age 60. For barely more than $1 per can, you receive 23 grams of complete protein along with a massive dose of vitamin D, a nutrient that most seniors are dangerously low in. This deficiency is critical because low vitamin D levels directly weaken your muscles, slow down your recovery time, and significantly increase the risk of dangerous falls. In a groundbreaking study conducted by the University of Western Australia, seniors who ate sardines just 3 times per week showed improvements in their grip strength that actually outperformed many resistance training programs. The magic comes from the omega-3 fatty acids, which lower inflammation in aging muscles and make every gram of protein you eat work harder for your body. Unlike isolated supplements, sardines deliver natural cofactors like calcium and B12 that your body recognizes and uses instantly to rebuild lost tissue. If the flavor is too strong for you, try mashing them with half an avocado and a squeeze of lemon juice to hide the fishy taste while keeping all the benefits. To maximize the biological impact, try to eat a serving of sardines within 2 hours after any light physical activity, such as gardening or walking. Research shows that timing your intake this way can increase your muscle protein synthesis by nearly 50 units compared to eating at other times. This provides the perfect foundation for our next food, which was once feared but is now recognized as a master switch for growth. Number 3. Whole eggs. For decades, we were told to throw away the yolks to save our hearts. But modern science has flipped that advice completely upside down for the benefit of older adults. Scientists at the University of Connecticut discovered that eating whole eggs, yolks included, triggers significantly more muscle protein synthesis than eating egg whites alone. The yolk contains a compound called phosphatidic acid, which activates mTOR, the body's master biological switch for muscle growth that becomes much harder to stimulate as we age. In one 12-week study, older adults who consumed 3 whole eggs daily gained nearly twice as much lean muscle as those who relied on protein shakes with the same protein content. Remarkably, their cholesterol levels actually improved during the study, proving that these natural fats are essential when balanced with real nutrients. Whole eggs provide the highest attainable protein digestibility score, making them the gold standard against which all other proteins are measured by organizations like the USDA. The way you prepare them is the key to unlocking these benefits for your aging system. To keep the delicate vitamins and fats intact, the best method for muscle health is to prepare soft-boiled or poached eggs, where the yolk remains slightly runny. Pairing your eggs with a food rich in vitamin C, like a tomato, can improve iron absorption from the yolk by a factor of 3 to help deliver more oxygen to your working muscles. This internal rejuvenation is vital, but the next food on our list focuses on a different pathway, the connection between your gut and your strength. 4. Black beans. This humble pantry staple, costing less than 50 cents per cup, has stunned scientists with its ability to actually reverse age-related muscle loss. Researchers from Harvard University found that older adults who consumed beans daily had higher levels of growth hormone and IGF-1, 2 vital hormones that naturally decline after we reach age 60. Even more impressive, the muscle endurance of these participants eventually matched people who were 20 years younger. The power of black beans lies in the gut-muscle axis, where healthy gut bacteria fed by bean fiber communicate directly with your muscles to regulate growth and energy. Each serving delivers 15 grams of protein in a natural, balanced form that includes antioxidants to protect your tissue from the silent process of oxidative stress that accelerates aging. Unlike protein isolates that can cause blood sugar spikes, black beans provide steady, lasting fuel that protects your muscles for hours. This makes them an essential tool for any senior looking to maintain their independence without spending a fortune on specialty health foods. To unlock the full nutritional power of dried beans, you should soak them overnight with exactly 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This simple step breaks down compounds that would otherwise block your body from absorbing the protein. For the most complete muscle-building profile, mix your cooked beans with brown rice in a 1-to-1 ratio to create a complete protein that rivals the quality of expensive meat. After strengthening your gut, you might be surprised to learn that the best time to build muscle is actually while you are fast asleep. 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese was once dismissed as a simple diet food, but new studies prove it is one of the most effective muscle rebuilding tools ever tested for seniors. Researchers at Florida State University discovered that older adults who ate cottage cheese before bed gained 60 more units of muscle mass than those who used standard protein shakes. This works so well because it is packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids for up to 8 hours while you sleep. This timing is critical for seniors because your body shifts into restoration mode overnight, and without a steady supply of protein, your muscles can actually begin to break down during the late hours of the night. Additionally, the calcium found in dairy is twice as effective for muscle function as the calcium found in synthetic supplements. 1 single cup of cottage cheese provides roughly 25 grams of high-quality protein, making it an incredibly efficient and affordable option for those on a fixed income. It is one of the simplest ways to ensure your body is working for you even when you aren't moving. For a powerful recovery snack, try eating 1 cup of cottage cheese about 1 hour before you go to sleep. To improve the digestibility by nearly 20 points, you should let the cheese sit at room temperature for 15 minutes before you take your first bite. This minor adjustment makes a massive difference for older digestive systems that have a slower metabolism. If you find this overnight strategy useful, wait until you see how our next food uses a process called autophagy to renew your cells from the inside out. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are an ancient grain that outperforms expensive protein powders in clinical trials, rewriting what we thought was possible for aging bodies. In a remarkable trial at the University of Sydney, adults over age 70 who replaced their daily protein shake with a serving of lentils showed better mitochondrial function, meaning their muscles produced energy like someone 20 years younger. Lentils are rich in a natural compound called spermidine, which triggers autophagy, the body's internal process for clearing out damaged cells and regenerating new healthy ones. This essentially helps renew aging muscle tissue at a cellular level, providing both the building blocks and the fuel your system needs to stay active. Unlike processed powders, lentils come with fiber and minerals that protect your heart and liver while you build strength. They prove that real strength doesn't come from a plastic tub, but from whole foods that your body has evolved to recognize and use efficiently over a lifetime. For seniors over 60, lentils are not just a meal, they're a natural form of rejuvenation that costs just pennies per serving. You can increase the protein content of your lentils by as much as 30 points if you sprout them for 48 hours before you begin cooking. The best time to eat them is at lunch, 4 days per week, when your body's cortisol levels drop and your muscles are most primed to absorb nutrients for afternoon recovery. Next, we look at a gem of a food that specifically helps prevent the dangerous muscle tremors and weakness that lead to loss of balance. 7. Chickpeas. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas are a secret weapon for maintaining the strength of your legs and hands as you age. A single cup packs 15 grams of plant-based protein along with complex carbohydrates that provide your muscles with steady energy instead of the quick crashes associated with sugary snacks. For seniors, this balance is life-changing because it powers the heart and brain while repairing tissue that has been damaged by daily wear and tear. A study published in the journal Nutrients revealed that diets rich in legumes like chickpeas significantly improved physical performance in older adults compared to those eating refined grains. They are also high in magnesium and zinc, which are essential for coordinating nerve signals so that your body actually responds the way you want it to when you move. Research from the University of Murcia showed that seniors eating chickpeas 3 times a week experienced significantly less muscle loss than those who skipped them. By providing a complete spectrum of support, chickpeas ensure that your strength is matched by the coordination needed for a truly independent life. To make them easier on a sensitive digestive system, you should always soak dried chickpeas with a pinch of baking soda for 12 hours before cooking. This helps break down the sugars that cause gas and allows your body to absorb the life-saving iron more effectively. You should aim to consume roughly 125 grams of cooked chickpeas per serving to reach the optimal threshold for muscle maintenance. As we move to our final food, we will explore a powerful snack that targets the painful cramps that keep many seniors awake at night. 8. Pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are a powerhouse of plant protein, containing more protein by weight than a standard egg. In 100 grams of pumpkin seeds, you will find 19 grams of protein, which is essential for the continuous regeneration of muscle fibers after age 60. They are perhaps the best natural source of magnesium, a mineral that regulates muscle contraction and prevents the painful nighttime leg cramps that plague so many older adults. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that seniors who ate a small serving of these seeds daily reduced the frequency of their muscle cramps by 31 points in just 6 weeks. By providing healthy fats and zinc, pumpkin seeds also support the natural production of hormones like testosterone, which help prevent the rapid muscle wasting that often occurs after age 70. They are a simple, crunchy way to protect your physical foundation without the need for complicated meal prep or expensive supplements. To get the most benefit for your sleep and your muscles, try eating your seeds in the late afternoon between 3 and 5 p.m. This timing allows your body to absorb the magnesium and relax your nervous system before you head to bed, ensuring a deeper recovery period. You only need to eat about 30 grams or roughly 2 tablespoons each day to start seeing these significant improvements in your stability and comfort. Taking control of your health after 60 is a choice that starts with what you put on your plate today. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring you the latest research-based advice designed specifically for your golden years. If you choose to ignore these natural muscle builders and continue relying on processed shakes or an inadequate diet, you are inviting a catabolic crisis where a single period of bed rest could lead to a permanent loss of mobility that you may never fully recover from. Do not wait until a fall forces you to change. Start fueling your independence right now with these $1 powerhouses. In our next session, we will be diving into the surprising benefits of avocado and seaweed for joint lubrication. You won't want to miss it. Take care of yourself, stay active, and we will see you in the next video.